Let's take a few minutes to walk through using System.io. Once you log in and create your free account to do affiliate marketing, this main dashboard here, this is me using System.io to sell my own products through System.io. But if you come up here to the dashboard and you click affiliate dashboard, that takes you into the affiliate dashboard where you can promote products that are being sold by System.io or by others that are being sold through the affiliate marketplace here on System.io. To get to the affiliate marketplace, you come down here and you click marketplace. That takes you over to the marketplace where you can see all of the offers, where you can promote these offers using System.io because people are selling these products through the affiliate tools that System.io provides everyone. And again, this is all for free. We'll take a look at templates, but before we do, I want to make sure that you have a roadmap following a proven strategy. My proven top strategy, which is the focus of starting with traffic to an offer and adding people to an email list. Starts with traffic. It is the foundation. Then you find an offer. You find the offer right here on System.io. And what we want to do is we want to pick a topic. In this case, we'll go back to the marketplace. And if we were to look at a category of templates, and we take this first one as an example, System.io Funnel Vault, 70 plus templates, Canva mockups, and other resources. You simply just click on that. It opens up the affiliate page for the Funnel Vault. You're here on the page to promote. You simply just send people to the opt-in page or you send people to the sales page. Now, when you do this, you have the potential to earn a commission, but if you go back to the proven top strategy, your topic is going to be templates to build funnels. The tools, the tech, and the time is going to start with System.io, taking the time to learn System.io, but it also is the time it takes to create consistent content. For example, like the video that I'm creating right here that you're watching on YouTube, where I'm talking about System.io, you would make the same kind of content talking about the templates that you can use in System.io to create funnels. But what you want to do, going back, if you were to click here to promote this offer, it opens up this opt-in page. This opt-in page is the opt-in page that you would promote if you wanted to earn a commission. And this has if you go back, this opt-in page right here, if you check down on the left-hand corner, you'll see a little piece of information that's vital. It has ? SA equal. That is your affiliate ID, meaning if you promote this link, you have the potential to earn a commission. You could also click here and promote the sales page. Again, look down in that left-hand corner. I'll put an arrow here. ? SA equal. That's your affiliate ID. That's how when people click, System.io knows that it's your link and you earn a commission. But what if we go back to the affiliating proven top strategy? We're over here, we're creating consistent content. Our goal ultimately is to build an email list. So remember, we can do all this with the free account, or we can get started with the free account of System.io, and then we can get over here to profit. And then when we start and we get the profit, we can start scaling our business because we started making sales. Then at that point, we can click and we can upgrade and we can start paying for System.io to start using some of the other features, additional tags, additional funnels. Because check this out. Let's wipe this off the board and walk through this. We know we need traffic. We're going to pick a topic. In this example, we're making simple YouTube videos about templates to build funnels. We know we need tools, technology, and time. Here we're looking at System.io to promote an offer. Now we're going to create consistent content where we let people know about this offer, how these tools work, how simple this is, how great a deal this is, and we're going to do that on a super simple lead magnet. How are we going to build a super simple lead magnet? And why are we building a super simple lead magnet? We are doing it because we want to build an email list. We want our own email list that we can promote different offers to people, because that is step 3. That's ultimately the end goal as an affiliate marketer, is to have that email list. Now remember, we start with traffic, we present an offer, and to present that offer, we simply just went to the marketplace. When you get your free account, you go here and you click marketplace, you go to templates as we're doing in this example, and you look here and we want to promote these templates. We get a 50% commission. So we're going to get 50% of whatever the price of this is. And if there's upsells and all that good kind of stuff in the funnel, then we'll earn a commission on that as well. We click on that, it gives us the information. We could directly promote their opt-in page, or we can directly promote their sales page. But what we want to do is we want to build our email list. Of course, that's up here under newsletters and under CRM contacts. We want to add contacts to our own email list. Again, going back to the proven top strategy, and to just walk through it again, right? It's 9 simple steps. We start with traffic. We know what our topic is, and we just move through here. We create a super simple lead magnet. We do that here with System.io. We know we want to promote this offer. We click here and we check out the opt-in page, or we check out the sales page, or both, because this is the opt-in page. It has all the information here that people need to know to download their free templates. But we can put our opt-in page, our own squeeze page, in front of this one. And we can also look at what the offer is here, and we can take all this information and we can let people know exactly what they're going to get. We can go back to the affiliating 9-step roadmap and we can offer a bonus. We can say, you know what? I'm going to build a community, or I'm going to build a mini course on how you use these templates. Now think about that. Your bonus, where are you going to host your bonus? Again, you go back to your dashboard and you're looking, or you go back to your affiliate dashboard and you're looking, or you go back to the marketplace and you're looking and thinking, what do I need to do here? What are the tools that I need to use? I need to build an email list. That's under contacts. I need to be able to send newsletters because I want to follow up with folks, because typically when people see an offer, they don't buy the first time, but they need to be in the right place. And you need to make sure that you bring them back. So you're going to create newsletters and campaigns. And then under assets, you could create a bonus community or a course or both. And then you're looking at this and you're saying, you know what? I'm just going to follow this roadmap. And you have the roadmap. You picked your topic. You know what tools and tech you need. You just need the time to set things up, create some consistent content to let people know that, hey, you can get these free templates, or you can buy this template pack. I have a bonus for either one. It's a community or a mini course or both, where I'm going to show you exactly how to use these, right? That's going to satisfy the fact that then you can start looking for other offers. If you go back to the marketplace, look, there's all these other offers that you can promote right here in System.io. You don't have to leave the System.io marketplace to finish out what you need to do, which is build an email list. Remember, once you build this email list, if they don't buy when they saw your super simple lead magnet, you let them know about your bonus. Then after they buy that offer, you present more offers, more templates, more guides, more courses, more things that they need to solve their problem. And then check this out. Step 8, automate passive income. Of course, down here in step 2, we know that System.io has this ability because we're here, we're promoting this product. We go under automation, we have rules and workflows. That takes care of automation. And next thing you know, we're upgrading to the unlimited plan so we can scale this and we can start promoting all these different offers, add tags and automations, and do what everyone wants to do as an affiliate, start making money while we are asleep. If you want to see exactly how to get started with promoting using System.io and building a profitable online business, there is a crash course link in the description. Check it out, where I walk through how to get this all up and running with System.io. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.